Need to set your 5-port PoE switch and 8-port PoE switch? We'll show you how. Take 8-port gigabit PoE switch, for example. Example 1, desktop mounting. Horizontally place the switch right side up on a big enough, clean, stable, and flat desktop. Example 2, wall mounting. First, measure the wall hole spacing on the back of the switch with a ruler. According to the wall hole position located on the wall. And keep them level. Secure the screws in the positioning position. The 2 wall mounting holes of the switch are aligned with the screw heads. Slide in and snap tight. Example 3, device connection. Connect the switch to the power supply with the matching power cord. The uplink RJ45 port on the switch can be connected to NVR and router. The uplink SFP interface of the switch can be combined with the fiber module to connect the fiber line. Achieve long-distance transmission. PoE power supply port can be connected to the camera, AP, IP phone and other PoE powered devices. Here, thank you for your support.